Section 2-3 in BSAIT sa ating Activity 5. So, ito ang aking codes. So, for the course, ayan, program. So, sa program, meron tayong 9 cases, which means 9 options, in which mapipiliin, pwede natin pagpilian kung anong klaseng course ang pwede natin i-input sa estudyante at anong pwede natin i-remove din sa kanya ito. So, yan. Mamaya matatakal natin sa ating output. So, for the student file, so dito gumamit ako ng parameters. Dito ba yan? Dito. Yan. Parameters, string, double. Gumamit din dito ako dito naman sa student manager, gumamit din ako dito ng parameters. As you can see, meron tayong parameters yan. Yan lang, if-else statement, simple if-else statement. Tignan natin ang ating output. So as you can see, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 options. So meron tayong add student, remove student, add course to student, remove course from student, update course grade, calculate student GPA, list student courses, list students, at saka exit. So mag-add tayo ng student. Student age. Mag-add pa tayo ng isa. Let's add course to student. Add course name. So sabihin natin log enter course grade 2. So, yan. As you can see, we chose the option 3, which ang option 3 natin is um, ang add course to student. And naman, let's remove a course from a student. So let's input number 4. Add course name to remove. So as you can see, remove na ang course from the student named Tag at Abraham V. So number 5, let's try number 5. Ayan. As you can see, the grade updated for course of log for student Tag at Abraham V. Next is calculate GPA. So, yan ang grade 0. So, list student courses. Courses for student at Abraham V. So, ayan. So, number 7 natin, yung courses for student Tag at Abraham V ay nakalagay upload. Let's try to add another course. May mali. Add course to student. So, Ayan, as you can see, listed ang BSAIT and ang Avlog. So, list of students. Ayan, as you can see, sa output, kanina nag-input tayo ng isa pang student which is ang pangalan ay Empleo Dustin Jake R. So, ayan. Next. So, yun lamang sir.